Hey guys, just wanted to show you some of the new gear that just landed with Kermode Overland and rooftop tents. We've got our new black and gray rotomold storage boxes available in 90, 110, and 175 liter sizes. Super durable, weatherproof, and designed to mount right onto your rack or platform setup. We've also received our new aluminum truck canopies. These are lightweight, really solid, fully lockable, and built for real use. You can add a side storage box and crossbars on top for tents, gears, or whatever you're running. We've got fitments for Silverados, Ford 150s, Rangers, Gladiators, and Toyota Tacomas. Stock is limited right now, and we're keeping pricing pretty competitive. We can ship anywhere across North America, or it can help with installs here in Nanaimo on Vancouver Island. We also have a big assortment of rooftop tents, racks, awnings, recovery gear, tonneau covers, coolers, pretty much everything you need for a full setup. We're open 7 days a week by appointment. Check us out at rooftoptents.ca or kermodeoverland.com.